kuchi twebaze bamama ne batata amavivi kuchi banaga amavivi kutaka mami wo wali wano kati wali ate video zitwala ku TikTok amavivi kuchi Midland High School amavivi kuchi twebaze abasomesa baffe twebaze head teacher wamu n'abazadde mubakubireko engalo zaabwe amavivi waggulu mbagamba obugambo bwange obutonotono bana esaze kuyisa bivulu but nazze wano nga big sister wammwe nazze wano okubagamba ebigambo byange ebirungi. First of all, I love you so much. When I was told it is Jaco Midland, I was super excited. Remember, oh my God. I was like, guys, keep in school. Banage bitabo tebirimba. Nafuna 32, you remember? You remember? Is a good about so many a degree and in a different Makerere University. Stage one on the solar because I am double rich. In a talent, attending Nebitabo. I'll do it. Be educated. I have a whole degree. Nasoma Makerere University, Emiake Sato, Industrial Fine Art and Design. Chokola la mochukumba mbakuba. What to put on and where to put it on. When I'm at kusomera Midland, I know how to dress. Ochitegera. When I'm at event wet mani when you know kwambala. Chichanga wachisoma. It is a talent but inasoma. Nina abantu benyambaza abantu basasula bannebuza ko kubya fashion. But I love music more. Music has paid me more. Newe kera nengamba ati music kala ganye bamwesonyiye. I can still do fashion and design. Kubanga nabisoma. So just imagine each one of you here go somye atengo ina talent. When I was coming in, I saw some guys doing some dance, gabazina, baimba. I believe you guys here have different talents, right? Maybe in sports, more music, more fashion. Let me tell you, put the talent to Jolina. Keep in school with your talent. Where we go in this era. I don't know if your parents tell you that. I don't know if your teachers bababulira joke so much kulu nnyo. Je tulaga ensi egetinze digital. Meaning olina okubanga osomyeko. It's a big spice dana. The spice dana right now is because manyi okusoma, manyi okuwandiika. When it comes to my endorsements, tell manager ayinza kunziba kubanga nasoma. Era tula wali mu meeting nengamba this is what I want, this is what I can do. Bweba contract nengisoma ne bwobera ng'oli muyimbi nga tewasoma ng'obwongo bwebafu bagenda kubba mu music industry. The same thing kigenda ku appearing ana mu mirimu gyammwe bw'oba tosomye bintu bingi ebigenda okulema okola. So njagala kwongera bategeeza nti bannange mutwale ekitabo very serious. And to my beautiful girls here, but let me tell you, teri muwala aina makulu wadoli mulungi nga tewasoma. Wadoli mulungi nga tewasoma. Nga tolina magezi obulungi tebukuyamba. Ate gye tulanga abasajja bano be mulaba baagala mukazi alina kye yeekoleddewo. Okitegeera ekintu ekyo. These boys here, babalimba kati you're still in school. But tomorrow once school is done, they want a girlfriend alina kyamwongerako. Kitegeeza ki? Kola obeeko kye weekolera as a girl. Ate growing up back foundation of everything. Don't rely on anyone. It is okay to have a boyfriend in school right now. Never mufuluma wanene. Webona afuluma waneno. Friend waffe twabuleko eyo mu ssomero. And then life, it hits different. Real life, so I want you to be very careful. Focus on your education. No muvubuka kulimbe sawa zino. Alright? Please respect your parents. Banange muwuliriza abazadde bammwe. Omuzadde tasobya. berekereza bingi you guys musome abamu ku bazadde baffe tebaasoma they went through a lot naye berekereza tukole ki ffe tusome sikugamba mami wagamba nti kino dadi nagamba kiri please listen to them mama wo ye muzaddewo ate ye katonda wo w'oku nsi ne taata wo kyekimu so akitegedde kubira mama ne dadi engalo ez'amaanyi. There's so many as Spice Diana I have seen so many kids abatalina bazadde babasuulawo abatabaweeredde I'm sure mutambudde ku streets ne musanga abaana bali ku nguudo. Do you want to be like them?